Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we got to see a big fall on the chart of Euro USD on Friday. Euro USD was trading in a very narrow range, and right now we can see that the picture is changing slowly. Dollar gains as higher inflation expectations are hawkish for Fed policy. If you look at the chart of DXY, then we can clearly see that there was a sharp upside on the chart of US dollar index, as a result of which there was pressure on Euro USD. If you have watched my previous video, then you know it very well that dollar was inside a very narrow range for quite some time, for the last couple of weeks. And finally, US dollar index DXY is out of the range. DXY broke the resistance of 102.40 and ultimately closed at 102.70. So market opening will be important. Right after the market opening, we will have to see dollar whether continues the upside or dollar comes for retracement, because already dollar has shown considerable upside, so a retracement is very much possible. As the market sentiment is changing right now, yes, understanding the market sentiment is very important. So after market opening, if dollar comes down also, there's a good possibility that the dollar will take support around the previous resistance, that is 102.40, and will try to bounce again. And if the upside continues, then we have the next resistance around 103.30. So these are the levels on dollar. Dollar looks bullish and there is a further upside possible. If I take you to the weekly chart of DXY, then you can see that on the weekly chart we have a bullish engulfing pattern, so further upside possible, very much possible. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So my dear friends, Euro USD ultimately closed at 1.08448. This is the last traded price. In my previous video, I mentioned that we have a minor resistance around 1.0875, but the selling pressure was so strong it broke the level here. So for Euro USD also, the market opening will be important, because if we check the weekly chart, then we can clearly see that after 3 weeks of indecision, finally Euro USD has shown that it is about to go down. So further upside very much possible on the chart of Euro USD on weekly basis as well. So let's go back towards our usual Forex time frame. So first of all, the most important support of Euro USD has shifted to 1.0805 to 1.07890. If we write it down, 1.0805 to 1.0790. This is the next immediate support on the chart of Euro USD. So after market opening, if the fall continues on Euro USD, and if you're already holding a sell position, then this is the next support where you can expect the market to give a bounce. If not a complete trend reversal like this, you can at least expect a bounce. You can simply switch to the hourly time frame and just see how the market reacts once it hits 1.0800, 1.0790 level. If you see market taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can consider taking a buy position for day trading purpose, not a trend reversal. Okay, so you can expect a profit of 25 to 30 pips, because right now the market seems to be under the dominance of sellers. So as a result, we are simply expecting a bounce from the support here. And if we look at the chart prime, we can see that last week it generated 2 sell signals, possible reversal down, and both the signals work quite well. Those who don't know about chart prime is an awesome tool for it's an awesome tool for traders. Okay, traders like us, traders like you and me. Okay, on the chart you can see that it generates buy and sell signals, and it also have a multi time frame support and resistance. Along with that, they also have an oscillator where they mark, or where the tool marks the overbought and oversold levels for you. In addition to that, you also no need to worry about the divergences. The oscillator marks the divergences for you on the chart, and if you're a busy person, that you don't need to spend time on drawing support resistance, because this tool you can clearly see that draws support levels, resistance level, and it also marks the zone as well. They also have the chart pattern detection. They also have the candlestick pattern detection, many stuff. Okay, you can definitely check out. Right now they are giving a 45% off, and tomorrow is the last day. You can see here, this is the website of Chart Prime. Okay, you can check out Chart Prime and feel free to sign up, because tomorrow is the last day. The website is giving 40% off, and if you use the link or the code in the description box, you will get a 45% off. Okay, and if you want to learn about the tool further, then you can simply join their Discord server. They have an awesome team on Discord. The service is excellent, and they also have a tutorials page where you can see that they have made many videos that explains how the tool works and various strategies that you can use along with the tool. Feel free to check out Chart Prime. Tomorrow is the last day. Use the code CP45 on the description box to grab the 45% off. It's excellent. Now, Euro USD. So if market continues the fall, then this is the support level for us. We can definitely go for a buy position. If you're already holding a sell position, then you can be on the trade. No need to exit from the market, because further downside is possible because of the change in sentiment of the market. And in addition to that, if market tries to recover on Monday, listen to me carefully, if market tries to recover on Monday, then taking a buy position right after the market opening is extremely risky. So try to avoid a buy position right after the market opening, because usually during the first half of Monday, market usually stays silent, market sleeps. So we get to see volatility during the US session only. So here, if market shows recovery after the market opening, wait for the market to hit the next level of 1.0910 to 1.0905. 1.0910 1.0905. This is the resistance level where we can expect the market to face some selling. So if market tries to recover also, okay, we need to wait for some time. If market reverses from here, we can take a sell here, because you can see here that the market is slowly forming lower highs. In fact, if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you were ready for this move, because we discussed about the possibility of a downside a couple of days ago, because market was constantly forming lower highs and lower lows, which signifies that the selling pressure was increasing on the chart. And we can clearly see that still market is forming lower highs and lower lows only. So if there's an upside, then it can be another lower high, and it is better to take a sell around 1.0910 1.0905 if market reverses. Why we're considering this particular level only? You can see here we have taken the help of Fibonacci, and this is the Fibonacci 0.236 level, and in addition to that, this level also acted as temporary support, which will act as the next resistance for the market. Okay, so these are the only trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD right now, and number of opportunities very less because there was a sharp fall. So whenever market shows a fall like this or any upside, okay, there is a possibility that market will go into consolidation. Okay, because no market goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. Okay, market always move in a zigzag pattern. So market may take some rest on Monday, so don't lose patience. And as I always say, capital protection should be your first priority. Be a trader, not a gambler. If you don't see any opportunity on the chart, just call it a day. No need to trade on Euro USD. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care. And if you're still watching the video, then let me inform you that only 4 days left for my workshop, world's most affordable workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop, and you can see here all the details are mentioned here. The link is in the description, and the best part is that after 3 days workshop, you will also get support for 1 month. You can see the 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. The Pro Trader program and workshop is same thing. The workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. After workshop, you will receive all these benefits for 1 But this workshop is designed for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. There's a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Because as I said, this workshop is not for complete beginners. And the best part is the price. You can see here, the price is only $15 for 3 days and 1 month support. The dates are mentioned, the timing is mentioned on our website. In case you are unable to attend the workshop, but you have the wish to attend, then you can also watch the recording, because I record each and every session. After the payment, okay, you can just send a screenshot to this number, WhatsApp number. Okay, you'll be added to the group immediately. Everything is mentioned on the website. And if you're looking for a longer relationship, you can also sign up for the annual membership or semi-annual membership. The annual membership will get 4 months off. In semi-annual membership, you'll get 2 months off. Feel free to check out. The link is in the description. Bye bye, take care.